Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 6b from chapter Simultaneous Linear Equations. So coming to question number 11. If 2x plus y is equal to 23 and 4x minus y is equal to 19, find the values of x minus 3y and 5y minus 2x. Now, before moving on to the question, we have to use the method of elimination by equating coefficients. That is the method that we have used so far for all the sums of this exercise. We will use that method only. Okay. Now, we are given two equations. Okay. And we have to find the value of x minus 3y and 5y minus 2x. Very easy. Solve these two equations and on solving you'll get the value of x and y. Once you get the value of x and y, सिर्फ इसमें और इसमें substitute करना है. Okay, and on substituting you will get the values. Alright, so it's very easy. Let us now write down the equations first. First one is 2x plus y is equal to 23. Is it in the required form? It is. ax plus by is equal to minus c. That is the required form. Okay, so it is in that form. Number the equation. This one, this is also in that form. ax plus by is equal to minus c. That is variable LHS में होना चाहिए and number in RHS. Okay, very easy. So it is already arranged in that form. Now, second step, we will make the coefficients equal. So first check the coefficients. If they are equal, then good. If they are not, then you have to make them equal. Okay. So x and x यहाँ पे 2 and 4 है. Okay, so you have to make them equal. You have to multiply this by 2 in case you want to cancel out x. If you want to cancel out y का यहाँ पे coefficient 1 है. Nothing is there, it means it is 1. यहाँ पे भी 1 है. Already coefficients are same, so it is better we consider this only. Okay, we'll cancel out this only. So second step, coefficients are already equal. Okay. Third step, we will either add the equations or we'll subtract the equations. So यहाँ पे तो हम लोग ने नया equations कोई नहीं किया है. Okay, यही दो equations consider कर रहे हैं. So यहाँ पे we are going to add or subtract. Check the signs of the coefficient. If the signs are same, you will subtract. If it is opposite, you will add. यहाँ पे opposite है. One is plus 1, other is minus 1. So you will add the two equations. On adding, automatically this will get cancelled. Okay. So adding 1 and 2. So when you will add, this will get cancelled. 2x plus 4x हो जाएगा 6x and here we'll get 9 plus 3 12 and यहाँ पे 4 हो जाएगा. Okay, so x is equal to 42 by 6, that is 6 7s are. Okay, so x is 7. Now we have to find the value of y. So fourth step, we will substitute the value of the variable in either of the given equations. So I'll substitute in first one. So substituting x equal to 7 in equation 1. So 2 into 7 plus y is equal to 23. Okay. So 14 plus y is equal to 23. So y is 23 minus 14. That is y is 9. So we found the values of x and y. Very easy. Okay. Now we have to find the value of x minus 3y and 5y minus 2x. So x minus 3y. X is 7 and y is 9. So 7 minus 9 3s are 27. That will give minus 20. Okay. Box the answer. I have solved it like this horizontally. You have to solve it vertically. Okay. Now 5y minus 2x, so that is 5 into 9 minus 2 into x is 7. So it will be 45 minus 14. So that will give 31. Okay. So value of x minus 3y is minus 20 and value of 5y minus 2x is 31. Okay, so we have got the final answer. Let's read the next question, question number 12. If 10y is equal to 7x minus 4 and 12x plus 18y is equal to 1, find the values of 4x plus 6y and 8y minus x. Now here there is a similar question. Okay, so we'll solve in a similar manner. First we'll solve these two equations, x and y ka value find out karo. Once you get the values, you just have to substitute over here and here. Okay, so first equation we have 10y is equal to 7x minus 4. How will you write it? Variables in LHS and number in RHS. Okay, so this we'll shift in LHS. तो minus 7x हो जाएगा, 10y as it is equal to minus 4. So now it is in the required form. Mark this as 1. This equation 12x plus 18y is equal to 1. This is already in the required form. Okay, so mark this as 2. Now second step, we will make the coefficients equal. First check if they are already equal, good, but if they are not, you have to make them. So x का 7 and 12 है and यहाँ पे y का 10 and 18 है. So it depends which one you want to make equal. I'll be making x का equal. Why? Because यहाँ पे x का signs opposite है. Okay, एक negative है, एक positive है. So I just need to add the equations to cancel it out. Okay, so I will be making these two equal. So 7 and 12 का LCM क्या हो जाएगा? 84. Okay, 7 12 are 84. So I have to make this 84. For that I need to multiply this entire equation by 12 and यहाँ पे I have to multiply by 7. Okay, so first we'll multiply this by 12 to make this 84. Okay, so multiplying equation 1 by 12. So 12 into minus 7x plus 10y is equal to minus 4. You have to multiply the entire equation. Okay, so this will become minus 84x. 12 tens are 120 and 12 fours are 48. Mark this as 3. Now this also we have to make 84. So we'll multiply by 7. So multiplying equation 2 by 7. So 7 into 12x plus 18y is equal to 1. So 7 12s are 84x plus 7 into 18. So 7 8s are 56 and 7 plus 5 12. So 7 1s are 7. This will be equation 4. Now we'll consider the new equations because we have already made the coefficients equal. Okay, now third step, we'll add the equations or subtract the equations. Now we'll be adding the equations because the signs of the coefficient are opposite. Sign check करो, sign opposite है तो add करना है, sign same है तो subtract करना है. So I'll be adding. So adding 3 and 4. So 3 is 84x plus 120y is equal to minus 48 and this is 84x plus 126y is equal to 7. We are adding. So this will get cancelled. 120 plus 126, that will give 246y. And minus 48 plus 7, that is 7 minus 48. So 48 minus 7 क्या होता है? 41 and negative sign. Okay. So y is equal to minus 41 upon 246. Now let's check this if it is getting cancelled. यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 6 है. So 41 into 6, it should give 246. It will. 6 4s are 24. So y is equal to 1s are 41, 6s are. So minus 1 by 6. So we are getting it in fraction form. Okay. Now Fourth step, we will substitute the value of the variable in either of the given equations and find the value of the other variable. Y का मिल गया है, X का find out करना है. Okay, so we'll substitute this value. Now I'll substitute it in equation number 1. So substituting y equal to minus 1 by 6 in equation 1. So minus 7x plus 10 into y है, so y is minus 1 by 6 is equal to minus 4. So minus 7x plus 2 3s are 2 5s are, so 5 into minus 1 gives minus 5 and upon 3 is equal to minus 4. So minus 7x is equal to 5 by 3 minus 4. Okay, so minus 7x is equal to 5 minus 3 4s are 12 upon 3. Okay, we just took LCM. So minus 7x is equal to 5 minus 12 gives minus 7 upon 3. Shifting minus 7 over here, so minus 7 upon 3 into minus 7, this will get cancelled. So we'll get x is equal to 1 upon 3. ठीक है, so y का मिल गया, x का वैल्यू मिल गया. Now we'll substitute in these two. Okay, now we have to find the value of 4x plus 6y. So that is 4 into 1 by 3 plus 6 into minus 1 by 6. So your 6 will get cancelled and यहाँ पे 4 by 3 हो जाएगा. And here we have minus 1. So plus minus 1, that will give minus 1. Taking LCM, so 4 minus 3 by 3 हो जाएगा. Okay, so this will give 1 by 3. So the value of 4x plus 6y is equal to 1 by 3. So you can just write down 4x plus 6y is equal to 1 by 3. Now finding the value of 8y minus x. So it is 8 into minus 1 by 6 minus x is 1 by 3. So 2 3s are 2 4s are. 4 into minus 1 gives minus 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3. डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, सो न्यूमरेटर्स हम लोग ऐड कर सकते हैं. minus 4 minus 1 by 3, so that will give minus 5 by 3. So 8y minus x is equal to minus 5 by 3. Okay, so we found the values. Coming to next question, question number 13. Now we have to solve for x and y. Now first sub question is y plus 7 by 5 is equal to 2y minus x by 4 plus 3x minus 5. Other equation is 7 minus 5x by 2 plus 3 minus 4y by 6 is equal to 5y minus 18. This is clearly not in the required form. We want to bring it in the form ax plus by is equal to minus c. Okay, so variables LHS में होना चाहिए and number in the RHS, and there should not be fractions or decimals. So we'll remove that. So let us solve the first equation. Now y plus 7 by 5 is equal to 2y minus x by 4. Here also we'll try to bring 4. Okay, so we'll multiply and divide by 4 taking LCM. So 4 into 3x minus 5 upon 4. Okay, so y plus 7 by 5 is equal to 2y minus x plus 4 3s are 12x minus 4 5s are 20 upon 4. Okay, now we'll cross multiply. So 4 into y plus 7 is equal to, यहाँ पे 5 into 2y will remain as it is. 12x minus x gives 11x. Okay, minus 20. So 4y plus 28 is equal to 10y plus 55x minus 100. Okay, now we'll shift the variables in LHS and number in RHS. ठीक है, तो ये टर्म्स LHS में जाएगा, ये RHS में आएगा. सो माइनस 55x हो जाएगा, माइनस 10y plus 4y and minus 100. This will become minus 128. So we'll get minus 55x minus 10 plus 4 minus 6. Okay, and minus minus, so we are going to add. This is minus 28. Okay, so add करके minus 128 हो जाएगा. Okay, so all these are negative. We can take negative, we can cancel it out. We can write it like this: 5x plus 6y is equal to 128. Don't actually cancel. Okay, that is mathematically wrong. So instead you can say multiplying by minus 1 equation positive हो जाएगा. Okay, so 55x plus 6y is equal to 128. This is the first equation. Second equation. Now over here, same way we need to solve. यहाँ पे पहले डिनोमिनेटर को सेम करते हैं. यहाँ पे 6 है तो 2 and 6 का LCM क्या होता है? 6 होता है. ओके, वील मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाई 3 ओवर हियर. सो 3 into 7 minus 5x and 3 into 2. This will remain as it is. This will also remain as it is. Okay, so 21 minus 15x plus 3 minus 4y by 6 is equal to 5y minus 18. So 21 plus 3 gives 24 minus 15x minus 4y. Shifting 6 over here into 5y minus 18. So minus 15x minus 4y. I'll shift this over here. Number है RHS में जाएगा. Okay. So first 6 5s are 30y and minus 6 18s are 108 हो जाएगा. Okay, minus 24. So minus 15x minus 4y minus 30y. Variables LHS में, numbers RHS में. Minus 108 minus 24. So that will give you minus 132. Okay, just add and negative sign हो जाएगा. Okay, now we'll get minus 15x minus 34y is equal to minus 132. Okay, again here all the terms are negative LHS RHS में. So we can say multiplying by minus 1, all the terms will become positive. So 15x plus 34y is equal to 132. So that we'll have less confusion. Okay, सारे negative है, confusion हो सकता है. Instead make it positive. So this is equation 2. Now this is first equation, this is second equation. We have just solved the equations. We have brought it in required form. ये first step था. Second step, we are going to make the coefficients equal. तो कोई भी एक variable लो, दोनों equation में से दोनों का coefficient same करना है. Okay, so x का same करो या फिर y का same करो. Okay, so depends which one you want to make equal. Let's make x का coefficients equal. Okay, so 55 है and 15 है. Take the LCM first, see what is the LCM, and accordingly we'll multiply this equation by the number and this equation by the number such that ये और ये दोनों numbers equal हो जाए. Okay, so x का coefficients equal करना है तो take LCM of 55 and 15. Now both are divisible by 5, so let's divide by 5. 5 11s are, 5 3s are. Okay, now 11 1s are and यहाँ पे 3 as it is रहेगा. 3 1s are, so we got both. यहाँ पे 1 मिल गया. Now this is LCM. You have to multiply these factors and you will get LCM. So 5 3s are 15, 15 11s are. Okay, or 55 into 3, one and the same. So 55 into 3, that will give 165. So 165 is the LCM. We have to make this 165 and this 165. ठीक है. So 55 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 5 11s are 55. 55 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 165 हो जाएगा. So we have to multiply this entire equation by 3. So multiplying equation 1 by 3. So 3 into 55x plus 6y is equal to 128. So this will give 165. 3 6 are 18 and 3 into 128. So 128 into 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8 and 3. 384. This is equation number 3. We have to make this also 165. Okay, so 3 5s are 15. 15 into 11 gives 165. So यहाँ पे 11 से multiply करना है, तो whole equation will multiply by 11. So multiplying equation 2 by 11. So 11 into 15x plus 34y is equal to 132. So this will give 165x. 11 into 34. So that will give 374. Okay. 11 into 132. 1452. थर्ड स्टेप, कोएफिशिएंट्स इक्वल हो गया है, चेक द साइंस. ओके, इफ द साइंस ऑफ द कोएफिशिएंट्स आर सेम यू विल सबट्रैक्ट एंड इफ इट इज ऑपोजिट यू विल ऐड. ओके, तो इक्वेशंस को वी आर गोइंग टू सबट्रैक्ट बिकॉज द साइंस ऑफ द कोएफिशिएंट्स दे आर सेम. ये भी पॉजिटिव है, ये भी पॉजिटिव है. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू सबट्रैक्ट द टू इक्वेशंस. इफ यू विल सबट्रैक्ट ये ऑटोमेटिकली कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ओके, सो सबट्रैक्टिंग equation 4 from 3. So 3 से subtract करें तो 3 पहले लिखो. So this will be 165x plus 18y is equal to 384. This is equation number 3. Equation number 4 is 165x plus 374y is equal to 1452. Now we are subtracting. Okay, since we are subtracting, the signs of this equation will change. तो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. सारा यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव है तो सब नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. ओके, दिस विल गेट कैंसल्ड. नाउ 18 माइनस 374, दैट इज 374 माइनस 18 कितना होगा? सो दैट विल बी 356. Okay, negative because sign of greater number is negative. And 384 minus 1452. So do 1452 minus 384. So this will be  minus because greater number is negative. So y is equal to minus 1068 upon minus 356. So this will become positive. Don't cancel it out. Okay, minus sign ऊपर जाके positive हो जाएगा. Minus into minus gives plus. Now 356 into how much will give 1068? 6 है, 8 है. So 6 into how much gives you 8 लास्ट में. 6 का टेबल रिकॉल करो. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. लास्ट में 8 आता है. So 356 into 3. Okay, you should get, let's check. 6 3s are 18. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. Okay, so 3s are. So we are getting 3. Fourth step, we will substitute the value in either of the equations and find the value of the other variable. So अभी हम लोग x का value find out करेंगे. So substituting y equal to 3 in equation number. Substitute in either of the equation. Okay, I'll substitute in 1. So we have 55x plus 6 into 3 is equal to 128. So 55x plus 18 is equal to 128. So this will become 128 minus 18. So 110. x is equal to 110 upon 55, that is 2. Okay, 55 2s are 110. So x is 2. Write down the final answer. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 and box the answer. Coming to sub question 2 of question 13. Again we have to find the value of x and y, and first step is to bring the equations in the form ax plus by equal to minus c. Okay, it is not in that form, so we have to bring it in the required form. That is, a variables LHS में होना चाहिए and number in RHS. Okay, now over here first equation we'll solve, but the first thing, put brackets because here you have negative sign. Okay, so यहाँ पे signs change हो जाएगा. So first thing, put brackets. Okay, now we'll solve. So RHS we need to solve first. यहाँ पे denominators equal करते हैं, so we'll multiply and divide by 8. So 17 into 8 by 8 minus x minus y by 8. So this will give 17 8s are 136 हो जाएगा, minus x minus y by 8 common denominator. So 4x is equal to 136 minus x minus minus plus y by 8. Shifting 8 over here, 8 4s are 32. X is equal to 136 minus x plus y. Shifting the terms in LHS and number RHS में रहेगा. So this will become 32x plus x minus y equal to 136. So this will become 33x minus y is equal to 136. Now it is in the required form. Okay, we'll bring this also in the required form. 2 into 3 by 3 हो जाएगा, taking LCM, plus 5y plus 2 by 3. So 2y plus x is equal to 6 by 3 plus 5y plus 2 by 3. We can take common denominator. So 2y plus x is equal to 8 plus 5y by 3. Shifting 3 over here, 3 into 2y plus x is equal to 8 plus 5y. So 6y plus x is equal to 8 plus 5y. So 6y minus 5y plus x is equal to 8. So we'll get y plus x is equal to 8. Okay, sorry we have 3, तो into 3 हो जाएगा. I made a mistake. So 3x हो जाएगा. I forgot to multiply x by 3. So y plus 3x is equal to 8. That is 3x plus y is equal to 8. Okay, mark this as 2. Now we have got the equations in the required form 1 and 2. Okay, second step, we will make the coefficients equal. So first check the coefficients. If they are already equal, good. If they are not, you have to make them equal. So यहाँ पे y का coefficient already equal मिल रहा है. Okay, so I'll be considering that only. You can make x का coefficient equal. यहाँ पे 33 है, यहाँ पे 3 है. You can multiply by 11, entire equation by 11, ये 33 हो जाएगा. But why do that when already यहाँ पे equal coefficients है? ये भी 1 है, ये भी 1 है. Okay, so we just need to solve these two equations. Okay, we'll add or subtract. Third step, we'll add the equations or subtract the equations. We will add them because signs of the coefficients are opposite. यहाँ पे +1y है, यहाँ पे -1y है. Okay, so signs opposite होता है तब add करते हैं and जब same होता है तब subtract करते हैं. So we will add these two equations. So adding equations 1 and 2. 33x minus y is equal to 136 and 3x plus y is equal to 8. This will get cancelled. 33 plus 3 gives 36x. Okay, 136 plus 8. So 8 plus 6 14, 4 1. So x is equal to 144 upon 36. Okay. सो 4 9s are 4, 3s are 12, 4 6s are 24, 9 4s are, so x का वैल्यू मिल रहा है 4. ओके, फोर्थ स्टेप, वील फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ y. So we'll substitute the value of x in either of the given equations. So I'll substitute in 2 easy लग रहा है. So substituting x equal to 4 in equation 2. So 3 into 4 plus y is equal to 8. So 12 plus y is equal to 8. That is 8 minus 12 हो जाएगा. So that gives -4. So write down the final answer. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to -4. Alright. Coming to question number 14. Find the value of m if x equals to 2 and y equals to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to m. Now there is an equation, okay, and we are told x का value and y का value is a solution of this equation. It is a solution means it satisfies the equation. You can substitute the value of x and y in this equation. Okay, so whenever you're told that some value, particular value is a solution of the equation, it means when you substitute that value, it is satisfying the equation. Okay, so we can substitute the value of x and y in this equation. Okay, so first write down x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is a solution of equation 2x plus 3y equal to m. Okay, now since it is a solution, we can substitute in this. So therefore 2 into x is 2 plus 3 into y is 1 is equal to m. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, so 7 is equal to m, that is m is equal to, so it was very easy, we just had to find the value of m, so box the answer. Let's solve the next question, question number 15. Now over here one of the equations is not given in normal form. Okay, we are told 10% of x plus 20% of y is equal to 24, and the other one is in the normal form, 3x minus y is equal to 20. Okay, so here we need to solve this. 10% of x बोला है, so 10% is nothing but 10 upon 100. So 10% of x means 10 upon 100, of means into. Okay, so 10% को ऐसे लिखेंगे 10 upon 100, of means into x. Okay, plus 20% of y, so 20% is 20 upon 100, of that is into y is equal to 24. Alright, so it's very easy, 0 0 cancel हो जाएगा, 2 5s are, so we are getting 1 into x, x upon 10, and 1 into y, y upon 5 is equal to 24. Alright, now take LCM, we'll make this 10, multiply and divide by 2. Okay, so x by 10 plus 2y by 10 is equal to 24. So x plus 2y by 10 is equal to 24. So x plus 2y is equal to, shifting 10 over here, 24 into 10 gives 240. Okay, and this is already in the required form. Variables should be in LHS and number in the RHS. Okay, so यहाँ पे वैसे हम लोग ने solve कर दिया है, and यहाँ पे already it was given in that form. Alright, now second step, check the coefficients. If they are equal, good. If they are not, you have to make them equal. Okay, so which one you want to make equal? Just check. x का यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 3 है. Okay, and y 2 है and यहाँ पे 1 है. Alright, but here we have positive y, here we have negative y. Okay, so on adding we can solve the equation. So what I am going to do, I'll make the coefficient of y equal. Okay, जहाँ पे opposite sign दिखता है उसका coefficient equal करने का try करो. It will become easier to solve. Okay, you will just have to add the equations. So y यहाँ पे negative है, यहाँ पे it is positive. So what I'll do, I'll make this as 2. Okay, यहाँ पे there is 2, so I will make this also 2 by multiplying the entire equation by 2. Okay, so multiplying equation 2 by 2. So first step is make sure the equation is in the required form, variables in LHS, number in RHS, no fractions, no decimals. Second step, you will check the coefficient. If they are not equal, make them equal. तो या फिर y का coefficient equal करो या x का equal करो. I am making y का coefficient equal. Okay, so I'll multiply this by 2. So 2 into 3x minus y is equal to 20. So this will give 6x minus 2y is equal to 40. Now I have coefficient 2, here also 2. Now we'll consider these two equations. Okay, so we'll add the two equations. Third step, check the signs of the coefficient. If they are opposite, you will add the two equations. If they are same, you will subtract the two equations. Here I have minus 2, here I have plus 2. So I just need to add the two equations. Okay, had the signs been same, I would subtract the equation. So if you had made x ka coefficient equal, then you would have to subtract the equations, because you would get positive x over here, here also positive x. So you would have to subtract because same sign hota. Okay, so adding 1 and 3. So adding 1 and 3. 1 is x plus 2y is equal to 240 and 3 is 6x minus 2y is equal to 40. Okay, 2y minus 2y will get cancelled. X plus 6x gives 7x and 240 plus 40 gives 280. So x is equal to 280 by 7. So 7 4s and 0, so 40. We found x ka value. Now we need to find the value of y. So fourth step, you will substitute the value of the variable in any of the equations and find the value of the other variable. So I will find the value of y by substituting this in 1. Okay, you can substitute in any of the equations, you will still get correct answer. Substituting x equal to 40 in equation 1. So 40 plus 2y is equal to 240. So 2y is equal to 240 minus 40. So 2y is equal to 200. So y is equal to 200 upon 2. That is y is equal to 100. So write down the final answer. X is equal to 40 and y is equal to 100. Box the answer.